Have you ever heard of a love story so powerful that Punjab still remembers it centuries later? This is Heer Ranjha.
This is the legendary tale of Heer and Ranjha, a story of love, destiny, and tragic loss.
Our story begins in Takht Hazara, where a young man named Heer Ranjha lived among the people of Punjab. After bitter conflict with his brothers, Ranjha left his home, carrying little more than his flute and a broken heart. His journey eventually brought him toward Jhang, where fate was preparing an encounter that would change his life forever. There, Ranjha saw Heer for the first time, and in that single moment, his ordinary journey became an extraordinary love story.
Ranjha became a herdsman for Heer's family, bringing the buffaloes to pasture, while quietly falling deeper in love with her.
His flute carried his feelings across the fields, and Heer understood what his heart could not say in words. Their secret meetings became more frequent, and what began as attraction slowly became a love neither of them could escape. But Heer's uncle Kaido discovered their secret, and he saw their love not as a blessing, but as a threat to the family. The family separated them, forcing Ranjha to leave, while Heer was left behind with a heart full of grief.
Against her wishes, Heer was married to Saida Khera, while her heart remained faithful to Ranjha.
Devastated by separation, Ranjha abandoned worldly life and became a jogi, determined to find Heer again. He wandered from village to village, carrying only one question in his heart: where is Heer?
At last, fate brought them together again. Heer recognized Ranjha beneath his disguise, and years of separation vanished in one emotional moment.
Their love had survived distance, marriage, and time. Once again, they dreamed of a life together.
After much conflict, the families finally moved toward reconciliation, and hope returned to the two lovers. For the first time, their impossible love seemed destined to have a happy ending. But Kaido had not surrendered. Hidden behind the celebrations, he was preparing one final act of revenge. He secretly poisoned a sweet and found a way to place it in Heer's hands.
Heer ate it without knowing the truth. Within moments, that was the end of the celebration. It was too late when Ranjha reached there. The one he loved had waited for him for a very long time. With Heer gone, Ranjha's world ended too, yet became one of Punjab's greatest legends. And that is why Heer Ranjha still lives in Punjab's heart.